Good morning, guys. Welcome to Big Lots. 20% off today. I love your hairdo. So it took me all night to get my hair like this. We're waiting for help. You're not doing your part.
I just know the chorus.
Hey guys, so what's going on today? We bought a mattress. We have 7 days to pick it up. Big Lots this morning, and then we went home and did nothing. I'm editing vlogs. I'm trying to get a bunch edited, and I just want to get caught up right now. There's been a few days though in the past, I don't know, week, that I really didn't vlog much, so it'll make for some faster vlogs, I guess, because I'll, you know, put like 2 days together. But we just went to Home Depot. My husband wanted to buy another camera because, you know, we don't have no cameras in our house. How many cameras?
Creepy.
How many cameras do we got? He's spying on us. He likes to spy. I bet you he spies on us. When he's at work, he probably don't do any work. He probably just watches the video cameras to see what we're doing. Oh, just kidding. But we're gonna go into Walmart and then we're gonna get something to eat and probably head home. I just paid $8 for this lip color. I don't like it.
But I love it.
This one is here it is. This is the color. I should have got darker. I should have went dark.
Should have went dark roast. Yes. But I know
Yeah, but it's mine now, so I guess I'll have to wear it. Don't touch that car. You don't know who it belongs to.
It's Uncle mine.
That's the one front.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you think Uncle Brian was in there? Or you just kept filming that car?
Oh, it's from the sign that says Beacon.
Oh.
Silly goose.
Yeah. I know, like.
Have you been somewhere?
Look at me, Starly.
Been in the pool today?
No.
No.
We had to shop.
You never stopped getting in the pool?
No, we had to put chemicals in it to make the slime.
Yeah, boy, out there in older, you put them in the pool too. Different time. Y'all put the corn in there. Bacon burger. I said, "Good bacon burger, tell what onions on it." Oh, we put you some onions on it. I said, "Get the bacon burger." You know it's not that high, don't you? You do. Okay. Can you see me? I'm not holding it. Yeah, you videotape. Alright.
What I have
We have the world's famous beacon here in Spartanburg, South Carolina. And this is the first time Pam is ever going to try chicken livers. You might want to put a little ketchup on it.
Better with ketchup.
Well, You never had chicken liver. That's pretty good for the iron. Well, what do you think, Heather? Are you a chicken liver lover now?
I think it's mushy.
Mushy. What do you mean mushy?
Strawberry? You didn't want pepper on your ice cream.
She's just licking it. She can't eat.
Somebody lost their weenie.
Don't pick it up. It ain't no dog. Ain't how about eat it? No time.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
In the vlog.
So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Yes, please click like and subscribe. And comment down below something. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, so church is over. We went to church and now we are going to go eat at Mutt's Barbecue with Papa and Uncle Brian. I guess not.
You have to make room, Sterling.
Today, in this world of illusions, didn't dare to sing my name. That was when you came along, and I don't know where I would be or where I'll go if you weren't steady next to me. Your arms have carried me for miles. Here's where I belong.
How was your dinner?
It was abundance.
Huh? You gonna go catch a fish? Say we're swimming in the pool.
Where's the oh, Mom. It's sticking to the side.
Journey, are you having fun? Are you catching the fish? Can you catch the fish? Tell Sissy you want to catch a fish.
Okay. I'll try to wrangle them up for you.
Daddy's out picking peaches.
Daddy?
She thinks it's funny.
It just...
It's dangerous. Don't jump over her.
Ready, Sissy?
Oh my gosh.
You want me to do it again? 3, 2, 1.
That was not it.
What?
That was not it. Gotta do belly flopper.
That was not a true belly flop. But I just think it's not gonna hurt me. So I'll be fine. Ow.
Look at all the cars are dripping because they're wet.
What?
Cars are all dripping because they're wet.
Because I plunged. You turned smack down in the middle of it.
Woo! Woo!
We're getting some good
Woo!
things surfing.
Woo! 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 All the water's going out of the pool. All the water's going out of the pool.
My feet not even touching the bottom.
Hey guys, so it is now 7:02. I want to just keep hitting my glasses. These girls swam in the pool. My husband came home from picking peaches. This thing is open a little bit. There you go. But I told him he still had to go to work, and I was like, if you go to work for a long time, is it gonna be messy? You know, because sometimes he has to work for a long time on Sundays, and sometimes it's just short time on Sundays. So he's like, why? Wait, what do you want to do? What are you gonna do? What do you want to do? Blah blah blah. I'm like, well, I was like, I'd like to go to like the grocery store and get like stuff for sandwiches, like hoagies. He was like, all right. So, and then I was like, yeah, I can get some like hoagie rolls and some meat and some cheese and some lettuce and tomatoes and some cucumbers, and I was like, oh, maybe some black olives. Basically, I was describing everything that I get at Subway, because I always get the
Are we gonna eat Subway?
you don't like Subway.
I love Subway. Where'd you hear that from? Lord have mercy, this girl don't know nothing.
Lord have mercy. But anyway, because I was like, would it be cheaper for me to go to Subway to get what I want, or would it be cheaper, because if I have to buy the rolls, and then I gotta buy the lettuce and the tomato and the black olives and the meat and the cheese, but the mayonnaise and all that stuff we got, so
She can see a dog all the way over there.
that's because she's got perfect vision.
When I hand it her. Just kidding. Are we going to Subway?
You want to go to Subway?
Yes.
Eat fresh.
I eat the whole
But I wanted
sandwich.
something like light, like a sandwich, like nothing like heavy that's gonna sit heavy on you, just because we had Mutt's barbecue today, and oh my gosh.
We had something heavy yesterday, and the day before yesterday,
Yeah.
and today.
Yeah. I really need to start cooking more. But it's like work. Okay, I'm up to, let me see, I don't even know how many orders I got in.
Mom, can BB come out?
No, Daddy'll be out in a minute, okay? Can you wait? And then we get baby off?
Can we eat?
58. I've got 58 orders. Is there a way to show you guys? Yeah, I guess you can see it on the bottom. Oh, right there. 58 orders. Wait a minute. I got another order today. I didn't know that one came in. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've only got 4 orders today, which is pretty good. I mean, I'm not saying I only got 4 orders today. I'm like, I only got 4 orders today, because you guys know that usually your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday orders are all due to ship out on the Friday before if you do a 2-week turnaround time like mine is. But not always. I don't always go by that, because here comes Daddy. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means I'd have 14 orders.
Dough, please.
Hello, honey.
Hello.
How was work?
Well, I don't like it when y'all come with me. Because it makes me feel like I have to rush, I have to hurry up, I have to get through because you're out here in the parking lot and anybody could be walking by. And
well, we can protect ourselves.
what?
We can protect ourselves. I know Kung Fu. Hey guys, so it is 1:30. Yeah, I'm going to bed late again. This is what I got done, which just try to get a better shot. I just like to see it all laid out. So I made a couple onesies. I made these. This was actually next on my list, but this wasn't. But since I already had the design and it was the same design, the colors, I should say. All I had to do was add in a purple at the end of the name. So I decided to do this one. And then this is a double order. And it's ruffle shirts. And then I did this one just because a couple that were next. And then this one, which goes with a ribbon trim, which I'm working on. And a JoJo patch, which I have to cut out. And I have to make another patch to go with it because it was a 2 order. I'm working on a ribbon trim. There it is. I didn't finish. It's for the bubble guppies and it's supposed to ship tomorrow. It says ship date is tomorrow, but my ribbon trims I have on there, shipping is 2 to 3 weeks. So I will finish it tomorrow. I think I gotta go get 18-month onesies, y'all. I don't have any 18-month onesies, and so I was supposed to make one. Let's see. Let me refresh this. I was supposed to make one on an 18-month onesie, which is just a number, and I have been out, and so I was supposed to get some over the weekend, but we just never went to Target. So that is one. That's supposed to ship tomorrow, technically today, because it's Monday already. So if I get those, I can, do that up, either get it to the post office tomorrow, or just hold off on shipping it until Tuesday. I normally don't like to do that, but, I don't have the onesie. And hopefully I can find some, because I got several orders. I'll have to add up how many 18-month onesies I need. And then this bubble guppies, and then one more, which is a JoJo, and they ordered on the 30th, and so that was on a Sunday, so technically it would ship Monday, even though it said the ship date was Friday. But that's the one that I need, the 5/6 lettuce trim, and it'll be in tomorrow. So I don't even think I mentioned that my husband's mom, she's at hospice right now. She was there for 5 days to give Papa a little break because he is the only caregiver for her. She does have dementia. For all the new subscribers, that's my husband's mom. She has dementia, and she's bedridden, so his dad is the only caretaker for her. And my husband and his brother are their only 2 kids, and they switch every other night, going down to like change her and stuff. So basically, like, get her ready for bed, technically. In the morning, Papa does have help. He has somebody come from hospice in the mornings to help change her, and then in the afternoon he has his sister-in-law, which would be his mom's sister. Yeah, she lives right across the street. So anyway, aside from that, she is in hospice right now to give Papa a break. So she will come back on Tuesday, I think. And where was I going with this? I have no idea, y'all. It's late. It was something. Oh, well, tomorrow. So My husband said if we get up early enough we can go to Target and see if we can get the onesies, because he does want to go see his mom at hospice, because he hasn't saw her. Like, she went there Friday. Yeah, she went there Friday, so he didn't see her Friday or yesterday or today. So anyway, oh, and I did want to update you guys. So at 11, from like, let's say 10:30 to 11:30, the neighbors were shooting. Y'all, shooting. Like, it kept going off. I was like, oh my gosh. Because I went upstairs to get my debit card, because I didn't make it to Joann's to use the 60% off. So what I did was I went online, I ordered the Tender Touch for $7 whatever it is, and I just had it, you know, pick up at the store, so that way I just paid for it. I didn't have to go to the store, and I can just go and pick it up, and I used my 60% off coupon. So anyway, I had to go get my debit card for that, and then went up there. My husband's like, they've been shooting for the past 30 minutes, and I was like, what? He's like, listen, and yeah, they're like shooting guns at 11 o'clock at night. What in the world can you be shooting at 11 o'clock at night? I don't know. So I told my husband, I was like, we should call. Like, I don't know. We didn't, but I told him we should. But anyway, I need to go to bed. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.